Hello and welcome to this video. I am showing you a game I played today. My opponent lost and I think it was a great match. We contended for the center in first, then I opened the file. I pushed my pawn. I wanted to attack the pinned knight. Then I believe I could have taken the knight first, but I did what I did. Takes, then I took the knight.